so relatable. Isn't this so relatable when you're at school and you don't want to get picked? Literally, you're begging not to get picked. And then the annoying thing happens when you get picked. It's annoying. Then the teacher's like, what is the answer? Whatever your name is, or he or she. And you're like, in your hand, like you're bumping your partner right next to you. You're like, and then you're giving them signs to like tell you the answer, but they won't give them to you. And you're like, you need help here, and they don't want to tell you. They just tell you the first number, and you're like, I need more than that. And then he says, the last number, but there's one more number. So imagine the question would be 328 add 20. And then partner just give you two answers. You still don't know, so your partner tells you the wrong answer, and then you call that wrong number out, and then you get one. Your partner literally gives you the wrong answer. He's like, no, I'm playing, I'll give the real answer to you. But then he gives you the wrong answer again. He or she gives the wrong answer again. This is just, oh my. He always annoys me too. Don't forget, I'm meaning he or she. But this, I really don't. It's so annoying. It's actually so annoying. Okay, here's an extra turn. This one's at home. So when you're at home, maybe on like a weekend, maybe Sunday, and your mum wants to tidy up to make sure the house looks very clean. So your mum ties it up, and then you're like, Mum, do I have to help today with the cleaning? She's like, no, darling, I'll do all of it today by myself. And then you're like, okay, you better not ask me for anything. And then maybe like 3 hours later or something, she asks you to put some toys away. She asks you to put maybe like a few toys away. And then you're like, Mum, you said I won't do any work. And she's like, huh? When did I say that? Anyway, you have to do it, or else you won't get any more screen time on Saturday. Next Saturday, you will read on your thing late. I'm like, oh my god. You literally said I don't have to do anything. And she's like, you're making that up, darling. Just do the, and after, can you do the dishes? And you're like, fine. But then, you're like, Mom, can I finish? And she's like, sure. Anyway, when did I ask you to do anything for me? And you're like, so confused. You're like, what? You literally asked me to do the dishes and stuff. And like, they said, do the dishes as well. Thank you. And then, 2 minutes later, she asks you, can you do the mopping? And you're like, what? Oh. And then you're like, please don't ask me for anything. And she also asked you to do the whole house. And you're like, but you literally told me like 3 minutes ago that I don't have to do anything else. And she's like, when did I say that? Oh my gosh. So you do what she asked you. And then she's like, She comes in the living room, see how clean it is. Darling, I was going to do that. And you're like so confused. You're like, you told me to do that. And then she's like, when did I say that? And then she's like, oh. Then you think in your head that your mom's literally lost her mind. She needs more sleep. But then the saddest thing happened. So then, like an hour later, when your dad comes home from work, and she asks you to do one more thing, is clean your room. And when it was already clean, and then the mum came and asked you something I don't even know. At the start, she said you don't have to do anything. Mums these days. Oh my god, that's not annoying. By the way, you all slay. Anyway, this is 3 story times in one screen record. So, this one is about when you're out in public and you really want to go to the toilet, but you don't want to go because you think that your mom's gonna leave you in the shop, and you're like, no, I'll just hold it when you get home. And your mom's like, are you sure? And you're like, yeah. And she says, come on. And then you say to her, but I'm scared that you might leave me. And I'm like, no, I'm not. Just go quickly. I'm like, no, I'm not gonna go. I'll just hold it. I'm not that desperate. And she's like, okay. And then, after when you're in the shop, and you're about to pee your pants, your mom literally says, I need to go to the toilet too, so we all need to go. Yes. And your sister's done a little poop in her nappy or something. And then you have to go in there and clean your bum as well. So basically, everyone needs to go to the toilet, and then you go, but your mom has to go in the public toilet, then you're like, Mom, no, I want to go in the scene. And your mom's like, darling, what do you mean? Do you want to go in the scene? Because I need to blow it up. What? And you're like, what? What does that mean? Says, and then your mom says, and number 2. And you're like, oh, and it will stink. Get other people in here, Mom. How do you have the courage to poop in public? And your mom's like, if you want to go, just do it. Just go. I'm like, no, I do need to go poo-poo. But I don't want to because I know that everyone's going to laugh at me when they come in. I'm like, no one was going to laugh. I've done it before. And no one laughed at me. It's business. That's what toilets are for, to go in. So, it's fine. Do it. I'm like, no, Mom. She's like, see yourself, man. Let's go for a week. I didn't even need to go for a week. Okay, fine, let's go. That's what I was saying. Or else I will leave you. I'm not almost done with my things. And I know. Okay. Okay, I've not got internet. Okay, I'm sorry this is really inappropriate. If this is the most inappropriate video I've done. But if it is, just don't need to do this one. But I love you guys. You slay, remember that. Anyway, you guys are beautiful.